So if you go in public to go and look for a man, you have a problem, brain disorder, a shower in disguise. And we are speaking to the issue that when you do this, this is the effect. That a woman with all the values that God gave you, you can go into public and look for a man. You are a shame in this place.
I'm sorry, Counselor, that is your opinion. Whatever opinion you have or you want to say, you can say it. Are you okay for you to say it?
But it's not okay. But are you okay saying in disguise?
No, but
you don't have any
a shower in disguise. I've explained to you what my definition of a shower is. So I don't know why you are trying to look for a new definition.
Your daughter has expressed an interest in one man. Any person. Would you call your daughter a prostitute? For expressing that feeling or getting
your daughter has expressed interest in that.
Is right. Say
your daughter will come and tell you I love you.
Right.
Kojo.
You can't say right.
I want to go on a date with you.
So why should it be public?
Because
it's my choice.
It's wrong.
No,
it's wrong.
Your choices are different from mine.
If it's wrong, it's wrong. How do you go public? You go public.
Because I wanted to.
Do you regret going for that program?
I don't regret one bit. And I definitely don't regret. Prostitution is the practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment.
No.
And there's no sexual scandal around the program that I went through.
Stop these things.
There's no sexual scandal around it. There's no sexual. It was my choice. It was my choice to go. I didn't go there to go and open my legs and go and say bedimio. I didn't go and do that.
What did you look for?
I went to get a date. I didn't go say brother bedimio. Prostitution, like I said.
Can you take a full picture?
Prostitution.
Look at this.
Listen.
Look at this.
Prostitution.
Even in slippers. Turn your back.
Please.
Come on.
Counselor.
This
is sexual harassment.
Counselor, please.
No, watch. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I don't like what you are doing. I don't like what you are doing. Prostitution is a practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment. I did not go there to go and say, bedimio. I went for a date. Every woman has a choice to make. I didn't go and beg.
They just told me that's what you did.
Please, what are you saying? You always have a way of twisting words.
They told me that you went to beg.
You have to stop.
No, did you go and beg a man to love you?
Counselor, I went for a date. Counselor, you of all people should know what date is.
No.
You should know what dating is.
You went to beg a man to love you.
Counselor,
And you sat here and said
you are always twisting people's words. And everybody knows that about you. Everybody knows that about you.
Now your family allow you to come into public and come and do this.
Everybody knows that about you.
The area you live, if the men there are not admiring you, can you show me your area? Let me show you an area that they can admire such a thing. Because you see, Ewes have some charisma. And she said, one ball. Connection. That's not
right.
Can you apologize to your family?
Please, Counselor, please. Why? Sammy, I have told you this. There's a difference. There's a vast difference. And Counselor, there's a vast difference.
I'm listening for the first time.
There's a for the first time. Me feel you can put.
Thank you very much.
Me feel you can because I don't say.
No, thank you. I shall want to say. Obi I do I want to I shall. But show cracker. Counselor,
hey.
I've not watched the thing. I'm going to watch the thing because of you. That you went and a guy who distress someone like you. Obi Amekra and you be a commit my second wife.
Counselor, no, you say, it's a member now. How do you call them? How do you call them? You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any.
Even when the guy,
there's a definition for prostitution, and you know it. This is dating. dating and you know, as a counselor, you know. As a counselor, you know.
No, what did
you know?
I said, going to look for a date.
You are free for console. Yes. Maybe I won't cry. You won't cry. It's okay.
You are taking advantage. Don't worry.
I get advantage.
You are taking
advantage.
Why am I?
Mimi will come back. Me worry, Counselor Lutro. Mimi will come back.
I don't know who you are. Who you are?
Boy, no disappoint you,
Yeah,
boy, no disappoint you, you soon are
disappointed.
And a boy, you see, boy, they said,
why am I girl on to me?
Cry, and after the tears.
You need to stop this name calling.
You see, Yafe, you are an ostrich, and in your beard, this is your mentality. You have a sister. Console. You have a sister like this. Then your sister will go through this, and you'll be happy with it. That a guy. Can you show me the face of the boy?
The girls say he be nice guy.
Who say?
The girls.
You are a man.
What to say? Sexual scandal be what? This show. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Counselor has some nerves. I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't know what is wrong with him.
And dirty sides. Don't go there.
Counselor, so it's so difficult for him to accept that women have a choice on this planet Earth. We have choices to make, and you don't even have to say it for us because you are a man, and you can't even be a woman. I wonder how you get to understand your kids, because I don't know.
Because you have gotten to a stage where no man is coming, so you are begging men to want you. What do you mean by that? They say we shouldn't say it. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
That you are begging men to come and love you with this body you are carrying. Shame again. Assembly say, I marry not your me who know that. The Amuke Grammy who be. Honestly, I have no idea about what. But
it's a general topic. I mean, your dating sites are in Kofoko, some relationship,
yes.
On only circumstances of TV show.
Yes.
Said this is not the first time we say
yes.
But as a counselor, no, and never say no. What did you want to say? Is it right?
Thank you. See, in the first place, you know, you were be a friend in creation therapy. You are the purpose and the reasons why things are created and things are made. Nyamenti ni adwempo eta nyamenti ayeye. Ebi ni oba. Oba enka nyankopon enhyehyɛ fitifiti ase ni. Emba brofo kase bi the afterthought. Emba ya afterthought. Omo ye addition to the last end of the subtraction. Na omo benya mfaso kese pa efise de ma bema ye bema ye yifi ni mu de bo won. Eti se your magnet na ya use any magnetic material bia de bo ade bia we afi se wo de paper gu osesi a na wo drop magnet eto so a de di kan no de eba ne say it doesn't attract. Attraction goes down to zero. But once but a woman say eba ne say ferrous material eye dade e chi magnet wo mpa na ye den apeki ebi ni mema emma ye nkrofo bia nyame bo omo ayi ase so mfa ntuo hia ase eti ye bo wo ba woni ohia eto nkwanta ma ye den mapai enufuo ye de bema eto ye de bema ahofe ye de bema eti oba obedu pempensuo bi a odane dompi a ohwehwe kraman no na ne ho na abo ne ho so ana opeso ye ahyawo na onim kon be fa so aye
because ahyawo they say too strong a word to use.
Well, odi ameka asema o say enye na adwen ye na ntina mbaye kafra abrawa o kasa na mi tie de kasa na pa eti enya ni ntina mbaye ben say ne kura sa story na ko abebre ama company bi kura bu afu kura minim say what stories now unfortunately for us in a story in a narration maybe na me nimpo say there was a show like that. I don't think say no it's not a station. I mean the brand, the company. No, but that's because it was associated to me. Said this is what I did.
There's a topic on board.
One geography, you make us say, ya share the bio, and I saw this obi brand.
I know the only company last.
Many last time I met here, none of it.
Made the topic about.
And Tim Besot, yes, or can be. Listen, more can make the baku come. I said in Kunai. Send a bear, Uncle Yokuna. Thierry, him and one go Yokuna. What I said. So do baby na be maybe amba. Check level. I say mbema de so moba. obi hu ti baby na bibi a mema baby ma de di kan e baby anam ne na enye enkrofo adiom associate na enye ohu ofe e na wo frankrofo mo ho otan o da se wo yo ba na ho ofa adamfofo ofa na hwese mo nyina mo ho ofa nyepe e na ba wo adamfofo mo nyina wo pe na ho ofa me ni o mo nante mbom unu de tia e se baby hia na o yese ya o mo nyina nim se wo na ye frɛ no
o mo na nim se de ho ofa wo na ye frɛ no
when you are walking with when you are 3 girls in a row and you are the only beautiful one standing out. Either you have enough breasts or enough butt, or you smile a lot, or your skin color is presentable like the lady on my right hand side. This is a presentable skin color. It's not like Leah in the Bible who has weak eyes and flawless skin. The skin was multicolored. What I'm saying is that if you have such a skin and you follow people who are walking, they are short, they are flat chested, they don't have anything. What is it? And now who you fell down the nuti first. Omo monkey no fine mommy like them no omo done first. Then the next thing they tell you, I won't hear friend.
Feel like your bar, I won't know for man na my ass here.
Me tell you say me name down for usually most of the times you will fear. You intend pay and we are all beautiful ladies. The problem here is not just me. Like I said earlier, there are other women who are just like me or more experiencing the same thing.
No, my dear. Where you are going is not what the question they ask. Have you ever walked in trees and they have called only you and left the rest? No, yes. So I continue my conversation. Okay. I am reading a book.
It has happened before.
Congratulations. Can we pause there? Don't talk again. They are listening to you so that they don't get offended. Watch it here, my brother. Any prophecy, a life diary. It's a balance within the category of a man for the woman. A man quiet to say in quote too unique. Or bow yes, what chance will be pale because your friend now cover you become reluctant in accepting the guy, even if he's qualified. Now look at the church setting. Hey, I have beside some sorry, Cotier. I dear cover and say, I sorry, them I am man dos nam ho. And to who get away first now I send a pair. Open up, that's all in the train plan. And now I dear, what I say. Now, group of your woman, Tino. Oh, can you see no? No, I go who are Bramu 442 group 782 no. Muntie. Sammy Kane so say. Sammy Kane so say, but so let me train plan. I say, guy, oh, then no, you my so they rubbish the person in the church. The next time you see, because he didn't agree. The next person is that the other group no so. Now I sorry them we see or now I sorry them hano. A man or what in your wedding was see but the fact is that the first person that the guy went to denounced not to accept because of the friends. The American constitution.
Counselor, me patrol. It depends on and you don't have to depend on your friends to accept a man or to accept to get to know a man. It depends on Subaya or open and then you feel that you would want to go on a date with the person and get to know the person. Fine. There's no need to go and tell your friends about it.
Hello, you're advising them. Whether they will take your advice is another thing. Thank you for what I say. This is from the voice of the lady. Because you know this is the so let me learn for you. No, I'm telling you the reason because of KBB. Or catch what to push one to go there. And I'm telling you, sir, the reason you see a push you be money kohono. And yet true. And that's what I'm trying to learn. Now one team come on and say. Say Ulu baby na you say watching too much into the next place is to go and select a man for date. No.
I do feel so watching too much into now.
Well, say I'm Paso Kobia.
Me Kobe. It's not because they may change.
They've not said that. They've been assumed to me Kanwa. Man Kanwa.
I don't know what to
mean to me Kanwa.
Who chin too much?
Then they
Why not remember the bracelet?
Me no conclude.
Because no, but that's what you're heading to.
It's been landed.
That's what you're heading to.
So should I land?
Kasla, Kasamuka boy, ya shawoni.
Baby, I don't want to wedding who be a shawoni. It was your problem.
Wait, counselor.
I mean, that's a shower. You can't show for Mencaso in who Mencaso fan home count. I mean, talk about so. Tea. I told the sister you are two of a fair shower. I saw your virgin as a shower, a street. And you will be and yet undefined issues. But come on. Tea. Nyansa. Ajahi. Now that I'm going back to where security. I got tie biafi emre de tie komo no etu ti so ba adani dompe a ope krama ne ho abono ho so MFS
that is again we ne ho abono ho so enti no sa program so correct
well said ye we ni su ne ko da mu de no tie he tie ye ko ani ne ho abono abono ho so tie me because tie oba bia na ma me se de wo be me mu ayeyiye a ye de bo oba efrefre. How on earth to a married woman who is working with a ring, well branded, still be having crash, and a single girl with everything that Moesha is paying for has no call? What is it? Where's it coming from? One Namika said it could be said you have been in the wrong place. There are some level of beauty who did not area be obia builder acquiring self Jimmy from me ma one on bepel. No me do would die womb. And Yamawa feel it is ask for you, Obi and Pelbio. And now you find yourself dating a particular guy for more than 14 days. Min Bisano. Now one account help people low group no. 6 years with one boyfriend, Jimmy advertising the boyfriend, Jimmy number 2. Jimmy number 3, Yadine Casem, and even my boyfriend says, Eti, Omo from 20 or talking 28, 30, Naga who said they were you say if you no actually. Now for say,
what date will be more than 5 years now.
In dating will be more than 5 years.
On dating put that no first date, and I'm a boy. So when you first date attempt.
David.
And why you be that?
I've been on dates before. Dates.
No, when young prefer dating.
Yes, we go out on a date, we get to know each other, whether we want to continue.
And why you be
Of course, yes.
And when your first time I'll pay.
There, because
the one you're now copy. And I'm a pal.
It's a mutual feeling. You are friends.
Me a sabro friend. Debbie been said, dear, when you're and now compare, yeah. Because in this time you are the one setting. Let's be truthful to ourselves. I like truth.
So can you?
No, the last time is that. That one question. I said to me, yes.
And then when you have a friend, it starts with friendship.
No, I'm not talking. No. You are not. You don't go. No, she's going beyond the question. I'll come to that level. As for building friendship and later on becoming a date partner, I'm saying, in this venture, you were looking for a date, and I'm saying your previous act of dating, were you the one who went for them, or they came for you? That's what I want to go.
It started on friendship basis, and then it
so in your whole life, nobody has walked you direct to date you before. It's always they befriend you.
There's been a point, I think once or twice, where.
That means you have 200 dates or something you're talking about, hey, my sister.
Me,
I mean, you have more dates because it's 2 or once or twice. Yeah, it is say.
Make 2 or once or twice.
And you mean, as I said, I say, Berman, so Papa, I say a boy.
On Casa Berman, I
say a boy, because you
come more than 2 or 3
I say a boy because you got
on dates. And
I make us a date now you've been on. And you say, Memman, they walk it to you. And now, one now compare one.
Medical cultural say most of it is based on friendship and
then
it on a date. But then again,
Madasi, not just say take you, not just say what boy me, not just say what back come on share Facebook, we share get out here. When you are dear be adikoji, yadiko akoma sama for we are dear the yilo. Mu share get ni, mu kona mu go share ni, mu share ni. Na so basi. Actually, say on dating lifestyle, no constantly no. They are called by the say or starting friendship. Now obian crashing soda. Eti baby a wadu no. Or no didn't hook ma. I'm we choose the choice there. Then there's a deficiency. It is wrong. It's a mental deficiency.
A mental deficiency saying.
A mental deficiency when you pension be in commodity or saying Crawford say when you tell them you are not going out, they look at the way you are and why did they say you are not going out? Are you but if you are not married and any man meets you and say are you going out? It's a senseless question. Give me a question. I mean we only question people who are married. They say why should I black boy now say so are you going out? That's a stupid question. With no apologies.
So then I think you should address them.
We are not addressing them, man. We are addressing you because you force yourself to answer these questions. You don't see it like a stupid question. You force yourself to answer because you are using the previous relationship to match the current relationship. So you want a yardstick. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, sorry, I'm telling you now. Me say, or baby or coco jina baby say me choose me so bear man. Ne ho abon ho so. Or you burden to society and community.
Counselor, I beg to differ.
Your deferment is not changing my language. It is your view.
Yes, you see, that is the. I've been following you. I've been watching your interviews and all of that.
Yes.
And then that's just how it goes. It's like, once you have your opinion, nobody else.
No, I don't stop people.
Matter.
Your opinion goes, but I'm saying that your opinion.
As you can ever imagine.
That's good, but your opinion doesn't change. I'm not changing you. I'm saying that any woman who goes to look for men have a brain disorder.
That is
Freedom, do you have a brain disorder?
I'm fine. I'm perfect. So I don't know what he is talking about.
So
maintenance and Frida, it was my decision.
No,
it was my decision to go. Wait,
I'm waiting, my sister. Flow, sister. Cock, Mister Damiansa. Young cock girl.
Counselor, Mister. Mami Bissau. Sir, you think it's wrong for a woman to make a choice by herself?
No choice for what? Are you buying dresses, shoes, lipstick, pons, hair? Or what?
If you have is there a reason for a woman not to have
the question now? Healing medicine. Is
it wrong for a woman not to make her own choice?
Choice of what?
Choice of the kind of men she wants to be with.
What a shameful statement. Beside question, that is the most disgraceful thing to hear from a beautiful girl who ne home born also. Shameful. Hello. Maybe I selected that. What be selected that? You have faith. No crane say. Oba ne ho ofe no. The question is say. Numguasia so oba ne ho ofe. Ade abema hia bia wo ne ho. Onam pa open mema. Ono se mema pe. Me say. Ne ho abo ne ho so. Oye numguasia ma ya bo. Onu anka so nam no bibi wo ne ho onu anim se enye entia.
Also, a man you right somebody choose the preference. Say e bia me
preference. Now watch it here. So let me tell you what happens with personality. In the 5 stages of choosing a life partner, the first thing you can ever do to even go out for a date is that you need what we call premarital counseling to discover who you are. What's any statement now? Or say, Obubo nyama so die nti ebema obaby akogina baby idea here no she made it clear and I was listening quietly. Not just say she didn't move just to go and start selecting men, but she went with a premeditated mentality of incident that has occurred. Say a mema bebre di na atwempla omanfo na nkosi gaga gay.
That is not what I said.
I said this is not your first date.
The fact that I said it wasn't my first date.
So there was a date waiting and you went for next date.
The reason why I went, the long and short of it, is because it was my choice to make.
But nobody defining that. Nobody says no your choice. No. And the question they ask him is not about your choice.
No, somebody usually it's the aura around energy now surrounding the pakoro. How smart the person is, because first when you see someone it's clear.
No, say energy, smartness. I'm just marking the words. I'll come back to energy, smartness. Yanko. I'm not worried. Write the things down. Smartness, energy.
How the person
speech.
Okay. And then, like I said, the energy around the person.
Energy times 2 square.
So I'm more focused on the positive things about the person.
What are you talking, girl? Who lied to you?
That's what I see.
No one that did throw it out. Do you have the ability to see energy? We have orators. We have orators who are drunkards. We have orators who are senseless.
That is why
we have orators who have nothing to offer. So what are you talking about?
The person.
You see?
And then you get to know the person.
Sagaya, which you see in Waka said there was a certain level of aura around him, there was energy around him. Nina, you know, Aquano, I accept on obey deity. You spoke with emotions, who did Yabi Kasai. And did not just say, is there a problem with you?
I don't have any problem.
No, but how will you know you have a problem?
Oh, but am I not supposed to know?
No, but you can't say you have a problem. No, you don't know. You don't know.
Oh, how? Why?
No, that's what I'm reminding you. You have found people with energy. My dear, love, listen to me. You find people with energy, people with speech. You have met a lot of people who have the aura around them. Unfortunately, you still didn't finish with them, and you went for new aura, new speech, new energy. You have a problem. My sister, you have a problem.
I don't have a problem.
You are too beautiful to set for a man.
You think
you are too beautiful to set for a man. What are you talking about? Which area do you live?
Look,
there are girls who live in Akwele Kaswa. Men still chase them.
And it will amaze you. This is 21st
Hello.
Counselor, men will come and go. You will be amazed.
No, men will do what?
You will be amazed.
Men will do what?
They will come and go.
Go where?
No,
where would they go? No. Hello, my dear. Men will come and go. Hello, men will come and go. So now you are confirming what I said. That the reason for you going for this new fresh date is because of your past experience.
No.
You said men will come and go, and they have come and gone. So now you took a decision. No. You see, my person, you are not getting it. Words. Okay, so I have stopped twisting words. Let me ask this question.
It was my choice.
Conversation.
This is 21st century.
No. Nobody says we are in the 30th century.
Talent. Let me. Makeup. But now God is opening businesses for women to open makeup stuff.
So going to look for a husband is one of the gifts of God. Hallelujah, church. Flow.
I'm not saying it's a gift. And don't say hallelujah to it, because if I want to say an amen to it right now, I'll add to it the fact that it was my choice.
No, we are not saying it's not your choice, but it's a shameful choice.
I'm sorry to
look
you.
How you are sitting down. Opinion. You carry these things that people are paying for. Let's not glorify prostitution.
Are you saying?
Let's not. You see, this statement and the statement that people have not gone to study. Every time here, if it's in India, women marry men. Go and check the history behind it. Somebody made that back statement and he paid the back audience. Because people don't produce male children. So when you don't have a male child and a male walks into your family, you pay for the bride price.
But okay.
And men are warrior. When you find any lady on that dating site, you find any beautiful girl at any event, Bama, me steady with you, me tasty. Who are energy? Who are aura? Who are speech? Who are body? Who are muzzle? Or ban who are born also? A shower in disguise.
No.
You want to be
Counselor, are you telling Counselor
a shower in disguise?
That is so not correct for you
but it is
as a counselor.
But I mean, I'm the one speaking. You made your choice. No, you made your choice.
Any authority or right
no, your choice. I explained to you from the beginning who a shower is. If you are a virgin, you are not a shower. Once you are not a virgin, you are a shower.
God is a God who gives chances for people to choose. And
hello, sit there. God did what? Hello, young girl. If you go to the Bible, you want to tempt me. Because as for the scriptures, don't try it. There is no. Hello, church member, listen to the man of God. Listen, church member. Church member, listen. Church member, listen to the man of God. Listen. This is not about what they told you in Sunday school. There's no portion in scripture from Genesis to Revelation, even including the blank spaces in the Bible, that you found a woman looking for a man. My sister, anytime a woman is choosing a man, it's not because of anything. It's because the woman has lost focus. What drives her to men, where men will see her and be provoked to choose her, she's lost it. So she becomes a disgrace to femininity, disgrace to creation. Because I told you, the reason why women became important in the life of creation is Nyankopon yi ade pair what be memu and on the bomb. Send a be a nama ya kono mom or namoi, and so be driving cannot share no to be hello lady. How far are you going? Hello there, Tobo namin two for so yali me say yali again we tell you tanya kwanya we once a while.
Obi driving car keke.
Tell me.
Obi driving car keke. Hello lady, na me so
now wait. Hello lady.
At that point I will have to decide. That's why the choosing comes. I have to decide whether I want to.
You have to get a boot too. One man has a you have to you have to mess up with them. You have to mess up. No, me when them if you about it. My girl no boot too no say me say. Be drive. No ya pepe me no e wo achi. No break it. Or just say is the face in equilibrium with the back. That will be how say how far are you going? And not just say your level is in equilibrium to the request. It is like we need to make a choice to sit in that soft chair because you roll glass me SB bogu so but say wow shana nantie na ya woda Now who call him? And it's so Bema General say I have to make a choice whether to go or not. How I make us say compare it to you going on national program, dating site, website, looking for somebody. What a shame! What a shame!
There's a better car ahead of me. Do you think I would actually stop and look at
Unfortunately,
that?
whether we know you are waiting for a better car or not,
no.
It's like you go to meet a lady at a date in a restaurant. If you get there and there are men walking and talking to a hi girl, can I join you? It means who they are the Abba restaurant. What did they say? Say a girl, the lesson girl is waiting for you in a restaurant, and then you get there and other men are coming. Hello girl, can I join your table? Hello girl, can I join your table? Do you know what it means? It means that the lady you have brought in the system, no, that lady really is qualified. But girl be all trained with table or two. What soon and no good or be or your bed. So if you go in public to go and look for a man, you have a problem, brain disorder. I shower in disguise.
I'm sorry, counselor. I am really, really sorry, but you see, there are some essentials in counseling, and one of those essentials is not to speak what the client
but we are not counseling. You are not a client. And you're counseling. We are speaking to the issue that when you do this, this is the effect. That a woman with all the values that God gave you, you can go into public and look for a man. You are a shame and disgrace.
I'm sorry, counselor. That is your opinion. Whatever opinion you have or you want to say, you can say it.
But I am saying it.
But it's not okay. But I'm not.
No, but I shower in disguise. I've explained to you what my definition of a shower is. So I don't know why you are trying to look for a new definition.
Your daughter has expressed an interest in one man. Any person. Would you call your daughter a prostitute? For expressing that feeling or getting
your daughter has expressed interest in your face. Right. Your daughter will come and tell you, I love your face. No comment.
Kojo.
You can go.
Yanka say.
Right.
Minka say a ope me warrow. Mama, I want to go on a date with you.
So why should it be public?
Because it's my choice.
So you see, so I'm saying that the fact that it's your choice and it's wrong, is wrong.
No,
it's wrong.
Your choices are different from mine.
If it's wrong, it's wrong. How do you go public?
Because
you go public. No, you go public.
Because I wanted to be public.
Do you regret going for that program?
I don't regret one bit. And I definitely don't regret. Oh, me copium.
Don't worry.
Boy, reject you. Yes, no, we say boy, what's when I reject him.
He's become my friend.
Oh, but there you can what I say, what I tell you. That was behind the scene. We are talking on the scene.
On the scene.
And then you go see him out. Say what opinion what catch Bema say we manage you, me energy me no be date.
Me speech, me aura.
Or reject you on national television.
Me speech, me aura.
I was not 1%.
Me energy be on you.
Hurt or disappointed.
You are too busy.
Yeah, I may have been, but at some point he was.
Oh, you are answering the question. Were you disappointed?
At some point he was. Yes, of course. At some point I was disappointed.
No, were you disappointed?
I felt that he was disrespectful because to me.
Shame on you.
Because
you going there to go and disgrace yourself.
It was based on
it's
the
not
question.
shameful.
It was based on the question. No. Question now.
Jadia Wokano, Mame, you met an aura, you met energy.
And no answer, me,
Madam.
And no answer.
So now is she blaming herself? No, are you blaming yourself? This is where I say, Obisa question be. So your answer didn't go right. That's why you lost the guy.
Perfect.
No, perfect to who?
My answer was
perfect to who?
And at some point he was like, okay.
Yeah, perfect to who?
It should have been like this.
Girl,
but
perfect to who?
It happened like that.
Hey, let me advise you. If you don't take care, be careful, pa. Because why they not down for down for to compensate you for the disgrace in public? Are you serious?
Please,
you bring this girl home finally as another year. You bring this girl home, and the only recognized institution and an activity that we can read about her life is that this is the lady that was disappointed publicly. Are you serious in life? Even public proposal is a shame and disgrace to femininity. That a man will bow down before you in public and ask you, will you marry me? How much more you going to look for somebody you think is a suitor for you? It is because you have lost what it takes for you to become a woman. My dear, you are sick.
I'm not sick. I'm very well.
You are sick. And you need to be cured.
I'm not sick.
You are sick.
I'm not sick.
I am telling you.
Just because you are saying it doesn't mean
you are sick.
So
I'm not sick.
You are sick. You don't do that.
And yes, Oba, baby, I'm not catching Bama, said the Nijin. Hello?
Hello?
Never just say. Never touch your wedding.
Oh, really, Councilor, and again. What I say?
I didn't hear.
As at least when you have 3, nothing, mistake behind here, and I else. But the way I'll count on the figure of the kids.
Again, it's your name mistake. I am going to open another. What's your name mistake? What's your name mistake? What's your name mistake?
So that you are making sense.
Or see your name mistake. When people don't accept their mistake, what do you do? Then I kick out on open now.
Oh, no, so you have 3.
Or see your name mistake. Or see your name mistake. When people are not, they say she's done the right thing.
Yes, or Bessie Bama pay, I will beg you, man. Hello?
Mobile jam by a woman was a sir.
Maybe I shot your radio and got time call.
On your mistake. Get this your name mistake. Now, why a choice? Radio station.
Hello? But your radio and call.
Yeah, as soon as I can really think because already of this is I saw over them at the end. So I told you don't want to
okay.
Abraham na die house ah. Unya ga be ko bi. Wo chira wo.
But your radio and call.
Okay.
Shame on you. This beautiful thing sitting there. Even me married, I want to make you a second wife.
You see,
useless.
I didn't know you that you are even married.
I say even me who is married, I see potential in you to make you a second wife. Then young boys working like, I understand people like Sammy K, they don't have what it takes to marry such a thing, but it doesn't mean you go and divorce yourself.
I don't want.
No, it's not that you don't want. You won't get. And yes, no. And yes, and you me no. And you me no penny. I know better so. Young girl like you. I
because only not saying this teaching opportunity to them okay. Yeah, uko bad news that's maybe to
now it's
not for them
hey
you have every right
you can you shut up with the Bible
decision you want to make.
What do you mean?
Life and everything that we make is based on our decisions.
Oh say
everything that we do.
Not when a beautiful girl like you. Not when a beautiful girl like you has become so distressed. Oh no, you don't have a decision. It's a shame.
It's my decision.
It's not your. It's a shame. No, it's a shame.
To you.
No, it's a shame.
No, Council, you about social media. Is this man mad? Feel like, were you looking for fame? Final question.
She's gotten it.
Obviously not.
No, you are on radio now.
You are looking for love.
The fact that I'm on radio now,
if not because of this, if not because of disappointment, like they won't give you the chance to come to radio. It's the disappointment that has landed in you.
And so,
you look way better in person.
Okay, counselor.
You are too beautiful to go and disease. You have to apologize to your family.
Apologize to my
family. You disgrace the family.
I think you should apologize to yourself for
you should apologize to your family.
Apologize to yourself for thinking your opinion.
No. There are a lot of people. There are some tribes when people are coming from some tribes and they do such things, they are pardoned and accepted. But there's some families you don't expect this to happen. There are some tribes that you don't have women going this level unless you see the girls. They have decided to take care of their own self. My brother. A woman with such features. See her on Facebook. She kwanya atwetwa nkrofo dia ye radio sa ye TV sa e dia twa billboard sa dia ye nyankopon mo ba ya se di tu ohiase na wo de kosresra de pacho
Manfa, uncle send me the.
Who got slap them as on dating?
Man, cause
Wow, dating them attend that. Now,
counselor, don't twist my words. I've told you not to do that.
No, I didn't twist it. Who's dating?
Messi me dating.
And I'm by my choice. I'm adding numbers.
No, you see, you own by your choice.
I remember saying what.
Oh, to me, come. Oh, to me, come.
Means make us.
Two.
Obwa. Obwa na two. There be two pen wa bre na uko public. There be two pen. Abraham kura yes 7 kura ko gina kuro mu. Two pen. There be two pen.
I don't see any reason why.
Real quick. Then I better check Ghana first and I will cancel.
There be kind.
Time call.
And about anybody's program. It's not about anything. The standard is that it's not about any program going on anywhere. But the truth of the matter is that the value placed on a woman is diminished. It becomes senseless when a woman loses what it takes for a man to look for her. I'm pleading with all women, like this, my dear sister, that if there's any problem you are going through, the last thing you ever consider is to get to a situation in any site on social media or any program to become vulnerable. When men, listen carefully, when men go in to look for women in such venture, it is acceptable in quotes because men are hunters. Yeah. But when a woman can come and say, I need aura, smell, energy, strength, and look, it means she is sick. Ladies and gentlemen, don't begin to practice prostitution in disguise in the name of looking for love. If you are confused and sick right now, write this number down. Even you can write 0277 609 644. Listen to me carefully. 0277 609 644. And this is to the families. Don't allow your beautiful girls, like this wonderful girl sitting on my right hand side, to walk out there and look for love because they will disgrace the family. And I think she has to apologize to her family as I stand.
Counselor, what I say? Free love.
Kojo, counselor.
You can find you sit here very quick. Am I right?
Say opinion.
Are you addressing me? Because I'll come back.
I'm addressing you.
Your
opinion doesn't always mean
it is not opinion.
It is correct.
You are wrong.
Don't think
when you address me,
correct.
Can you sit somewhere? Don't address me.
Listen,
if you address me,
women out there, to every woman out there, you have a choice to make. Don't sit down for any man
to come to you
to show you what you want or what you do not want.
Don't sit down for any man to come to you.
You have your own choices to
go and look for the men.
Make a choice.
You are ready to talk.
A man can come to you and you still have the choice to make whether you would want to go ahead with it or not.
Okay,
so please make that choice.
Okay, but that's it.
The power is yours.
I feel like the power is yours.
The power is not for anybody. That beautiful girl like you, I beg girl with fair skin. You are not even an Ashanti.
Keep your vision
I beg girl like
stay safe.
If you are Abraham way strong, then you go to pop.
That's why I better check. And I'm not even Abraham way.
Well, it's just about yes, sir. So in conclusion, my position is very simple. It's not about any event, it's not about any program, but it's about the truth. And the truth is that when we find women now getting to the position of trying to push themselves on men, then we've lost the originality of why God brought them on earth. If you are one of the people who you are stranded, and for that matter, you are looking for love and looking for a man to love you, looking for a man to marry you by force, and you have a deficiency, seek for help. 0277 609 644. All of you who want to support our foundation is 055 000 5077. Or you want to do a Zelle account in the United States of America, 862 215 2007. Remember, my statement is simple. It's not about any program going on. It's not about any show anywhere. So it is not against your whatever you call it. Say there's a program, something rash. It's not about that.